Welcome to Challenging GCSE Maths Questions with Mr. Wesley. Every day, we take on one mind-boggling GCSE Maths question designed to stretch your brain and push your skills to the next level. Mr. Wesley will break it down step by step so you can confidently ace those tricky final questions on your exam. Grab your notebook, your pen, and your calculator. Let's get solving. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any challenging questions you would like Mr. Wesley to solve in the upcoming videos, please email him the question. His email address is in the description. All right, let's do this. Here's Mr. Wesley.
Okay, a spherical solid steel with radius r is melted and reshaped into n number of cylinders, each with a diameter d and height h. There's no waste of material, the density hasn't changed. So the question is, if r is 4.5, so in other words, if the radius of the spherical solid steel is known, and if the dimensions of the cylinders are also known, so d is 3, h is 2, find n. In other words, how many cylinders like this can we make? Okay, so first of all, let's find the volume of the spherical solid steel. We are given that r is 4.5. The volume of a sphere is given by 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So that's 4 over 3 pi. R is 4.5, so we can put 9 over 2 cubed. Okay, now let's find the volume of one of these cylinders. Okay, we are given that diameter is 3, the height is 2. So the volume of one of these cylinders is given by pi r squared h pi, if d is 3, r is 3 over 2 squared times the height, which is 2. Okay. The question is, how many of these cylinders we can make? So quite literally, we have to divide this by this. So ready for this? 4 over 3 pi 9 over 2 cubed divided by pi. Let's just simplify this a little bit more. 3 squared is 9 over 4 times 2, so that is 9 over 2, isn't it? Oh, that's helpful. So pi and pi cancels out. If we think of 9 over 2 as one entity, 4.5, we are dividing the cube by one of those, so what we get is 4 over 3 times 9 over 2 squared. Let's work this out. 4 over 3, 81 over 4. So 4 and 4 cancels out. 81 over 3 is 27. So we can make 27 cylinders like this. Now, let's take a look at the next part. Dia says that if the radius of the sphere is increased by 50%, we can make 50% more cylinders. Is Dia correct? Okay, so what do you think? So volume here is proportionate to r cubed, because we know that it's 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So that means, let's say the original radius was r. Now if we are increasing it by 50%, now the new radius is 1.5 r. So when you cube it, it'll be 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5 r cubed, which is 3.375 r cubed. So the volume will in fact increase by a factor of 3.375. Although we are just increasing the radius by 50%, the volume will increase this many times. Therefore, the number of cylinders we can make will also increase by this many times. So it's not 50%, and Dia is not correct. Okay, see you again soon.
Great job today, everyone. Remember, the key is to take your time and practice the questions regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really motivates Mr. Wesley to create more videos. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Wesley at WesleyMathsTutor@gmail.com. See you in the next one.